Welcome back. You're watching Hot Stocks on ET Now.
Okay, let's connect then with the management of Sunteck Realty. Kamal Khaitan, who's its chairman and managing director, joins in on the show. Thanks very much for being with us now. To start off with, Mr. Khaitan, as per your method of booking sales, the results tend to be lumpy. So which are the major projects that are going to be part of revenue recognition in the fourth quarter and will come in the first quarter of FY16?
In Q4, we can see that in Q4 we will be by Q4 we have already completed almost 6 projects. If you see, that is Signature Island and Signia Ocean and Sunteck Grandeur, Sunteck Canada, Signia Skies, Sunteck Center. So from these 6 projects which are already completed, you will see most of the sales coming from these 6 completed projects, and especially the major sales will be definitely from Signature Island, and that will be the major part of the Q4 numbers.
Okay, and how is the sales for the BKC as well as Goregaon projects, as these projects constitute the bulk of your current business?
In BKC, as the Signature Island is fully completed, so we are seeing a lot of traction in Signature Island project, definitely. And as the BKC people are recognizing that BKC is going to be the next, now it's already recognized as next CBD with all the best infrastructure around. So the demand for BKC is, I can say, it's very good compared if you look at the overall market. And whereas Goregaon, in that micro market, if you see that we have come up with a very good ticket size, that the apartments are like 1.5 crore to 2 crore ticket size. So there also, if you see, we have a run rate of almost like 10 to 12 apartments per month. If you see from the last 3 years, we are maintaining this average run rate has been like 10 to 12 apartments per month. And going forward, we continue to see that kind of a trend.
So with major projects getting launched and some reaching recognition over the next few quarters, take us through the trajectory of your cash flows over the next few quarters.
If you see that compared to last year, if you see this year, we can easily see that we have from the last 3 quarters we have already crossed the limit of the last what we did in last year's 4 quarters compared to this financial year 3 quarters. So we have already crossed that, and we can see that at least if we take the entire full year, we'll see at least a minimum growth of like 20-25% over the last year.
Okay, so Mr. Khaitan, what can we expect in FY16 from the company?
So FY16, we look going forward, we'll at least complete one more project in BKC, that is Signia Isle. We are very confident about that, and you will see the very big top line coming from there, and that will there you will see again a very good profit numbers coming from that. So if you see overall till now, we have done a sales of 3,300 crore, out of which only 1,000 crore has been booked in project completion method. So there is another 2,200 crore of sales which we have to book in next coming 4 to 6 quarters. So which you will see in coming next year.
Okay, we look forward to that. Thank you so much for joining in and giving us a glimpse as to how business is shaping up and what are the ongoing projects. Let's take a look at the stock price of a Sunteck Realty, and in fact, clearly the positive management commentary has had an impact. Low volume stock, but nonetheless at the day's high, 281.5 and counting. Well, let's move